actually, let's start with, I'm going to show you the piece that we did and finished. Even though it's a mirror, I kind of like it. Over here, I think I put too much glitter. So what I can do, and probably might do that tomorrow, I know I'll be doing it on the other two, is adding another coat of resin to seal in all of this and to protect it. I also wanted to try and see if I can get some gold lines, which I don't know if you can see. We got white ones, but I want to do, well, definitely won't be happening with this gold pen. I think I'm going to have to reorder some, but this gives it more of a definition. And when you pour another coat of resin, hello, Robin. Oh, it's not a replay, my friend. You're on live. We're live. We've just started. This was a piece, Robin, that we did at our live, I think it was the 29th, so before New Year. And I'm just adding a little bit of pen. And the other thing I wanted to show you, because I won't be able to do that on the ones we do today, and this does smell bad, and I don't like the smell of it. So let me see if I can find another one that has gold. Thank you. Hello, Jill. Happy New Year to you. How are you? Okay, so I'm just going to see if this works better. And the other reason I want to put another coat of resin on this is to protect the pen that I'm using right now. But today we're going to do another geode, but I'm going to be using purple instead of blues. And we're going to do it on, I'll stop messing with this. Hey, Nicole, how are you? This was what we did last week. I hope you're feeling better, my friend. You sounded terrible on the last live. I felt really bad. Oh, there was one more thing I wanted to show you before I forget. Now, if you don't have a pen, you can also use a contour liner. And let me just cut this and find a pen. There's the scissors. And I have it, and I'm going to show you how to use it. And that's another reason you want to put a top coat. Oh, I'm sorry, my friend. I'm sorry. So I'm going to do, this is a Pentart contour liner. And I'm just going to poke a hole. And then hopefully, oops, this is called sparkling gold. And I can use it very, very thin, like this, or I can use it a bit thicker, or I would have to cut the top off. So welcome. I hope this new year will be better than the last one. So here you can see I can do a 3D line, which I couldn't have done on the live because this was all wet. And let me see where else I can add it. I can add another one right here. On this one, I don't know how it came out, but it's 2 lines. And try not to do what I did, and that's get a thick line. And if you don't want to use gold, let me just clean that up. We're going to do it with a white. Put the top on. Thank you for sprinkling. Hello, Leona. Yeah, this is by Pentart. It's called Sparkling Gold. Happy New Year to you, Leona. Oops. And this is black. Oh, I haven't used the black, the gold. Oh, no, the white, sorry. I'm glad I opened up the white, because the white is... Oh, no, this is transparent. I don't want that one. Although... No, I don't want that one. I meant to get a white out, and I didn't. So we will just have to do with the gold. And I like these much better than the pens. You can control how... Look at how thick this is versus this. And, you know, you can do several of those in here. But right now, as I said, this is an experiment, and I just wanted to show you. Yes, they do. It's a contour pen by Pentart. I have a lot of them. And when this dries tomorrow, we can do the resin on top. Just one coat.